Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I am still in my clothes that I had on in the previous video, and that's because there's a lot more to update you all on, and I didn't want to wait to edit and add more content and delay another video. So here's the roundup. I managed to get the windshield replaced because it had a crack, and we wanted to get that replaced because the crack was actually expanding across the lower end of the windshield. I'll show a couple of clips of that top right corner or somewhere in this video. So I forgot the name of, I think it was Safe Light or one of those companies came out. You'll probably see it on the van or wherever, who came up and they replaced the windshield. It wasn't too long, probably like a minute or two, but a couple of days later I went to go rotate the tires at Discount Tire, and I'll just let you see that video. That's the kicker. So stay tuned to the channel. This was just a short update, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Matter of fact, to help this channel move and progress, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notifications when new videos are being launched, and share. Let's get this video out there. Let's get this channel promoted in the YouTube algorithm. All right? Thank you for watching. Peace.